Hello everyone, I'm Tamarius and I am back after a short break of making videos and content for a while. Maybe more like a long break if I'm being honest. But it's been a fun summer, enjoying travels with my kiddos, summer activities, all the things. It's been a really good time. But I do have a pretty personal life update that I want to share, as I have spent quite a bit of time engaging and helping my mom during a difficult time as well. So this is a bit personal and meaningful to me, but I think it's important to share as it's a big reason as to why I've taken a little break. So back in May, there was an EF3 tornado that hit the St. Louis area in the Midwest where I live, and my mom lost her house. Like, I would have never in a million years suspected that we would experience a natural disaster in the way that would completely devastate our family this way. This was my childhood home, the home that I grew up in. My mom lived there for over 40 years. This home was passed down from my grandparents many years ago, so it's kind of like a family heirloom, you know, it's been a part of our family for a long time. But when this happened, my world suddenly shifted. My mom's life changed, and so did mine, because family is really important to me. I'm a very family-oriented person. It's hard being a part of a family who doesn't honor family the way that I do, but I take it serious, and I love my family, especially the family I've created. But that's a conversation for another day. But when my mom's life changed, my life changed too. My main priority really became about helping her become more comfortable and rebuild and stabilize her life after such a crazy disaster. So my mom ended up moving in with me and my two daughters, which ended up being so special because I haven't lived with my mom since I was a teenager. It was the first time we really got to experience daily life together in many years, you know, for me as an adult and for my children to have this time with their grandmother. It really gave me a newfound appreciation for her and allowed her and my kids to just build their own special bond, which I think is really sweet. I also completely fell in love with her dog, which I was not expecting, but I am a dog lover for sure. And that was just a really joyful addition to our home as well. So this summer, I have been helping my mom to buy a house. She did not have insurance based on being denied based on the location of her home at the time. So that was a huge roadblock, but we did get donations and support from so many people. And I'm very grateful for the help that we did receive to help her transition into a new home. It's been a big focus just supporting her mentally, physically, emotionally throughout this change. As you can imagine, this would be hard for anyone, especially someone who has just been fixated in their environment for such a long time. And guiding her through every step just really reminded me of what true leadership is. So as you all know, leadership isn't about titles. It's not a position that you hold. It's not a thing that you have to have a title to show up and do. It's about showing up when people need you or when a circumstance needs you. So I'm actually the youngest of my siblings in my family, but I am so grateful to be in a position to lead and bless my mom, to give her a peace of mind during a time where she needed love and support the most. But I'm happy to announce that as of last week, my mom finally moved into her new home. I've been helping her to decorate and get settled in, and it has just been such a joy. So even through this crazy time of disaster and devastation, it's been beautiful to see the light and see the ability to like start over and have a fresh start. And that is what I've been holding on to so much on this journey. You know, I could have focused on all of the negatives and all of the sad gloom and doom that comes with being a part of a natural disaster. And yes, that was hard. And there was some grief involved, but I really shifted my focus to all of the positives, like having her here, spending this time with her, the bond that her and my daughters have been able to establish, helping her to rebuild and have a fresh start. Like, there's just so much good that has come out of something that it's not so great. And this whole journey just reminds me of how powerful it is to show up, be present, and cherish the moments that are important with the people you love and the people who love you. you. Like, that's really what it's about. But here's the thing, helping my mom wasn't easy because so much of me and what I needed to do for myself had to be on pause for a minute so that I could show up for her in the way that she needed it. So I had to stay grounded in my own self-care, because you can't pour from an empty cup. Balancing service and self-care is really where sustainable leadership and real love meets. So here's my question for you. Where in your life can you show up for others while also staying grounded for yourself? The balance is so powerful, and it's something I encourage all of my clients and community members to really think about. So just a quick life update. It has been crazy, but I am so blessed and grateful. So that's my life update. That's what's been happening. Little fun, little excitement, lots of relaxation, but also lots of love, support, and showing up for someone who is really, really important to me. So time well spent, but I am back in action, ready to make content, ready to show up for my community. And I just appreciate y'all for reaching out. Many of you have reached out to check on me and just touch base, and I appreciate the love and support. If you're new here, I am T.Prince, leadership and life coach, as well as HR consultant. I help high achievers gain clarity, build discipline, lead powerfully at work and at home. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because, as I said, I'm going to be back in the game, back doing what I do best, sharing weekly tools and insights and encouragement to help you elevate your life, your leadership, and make an impact. So again, subscribe, share, and I'll be back soon. Thanks.